For the record, my name is Captain Buddy Geen, Buddygheen, and I'm a captain with the Harris County Constable's Office Precinct 4. On today's date, around 1400 hours, Harris County Constable's Office Precinct 4 received a call for service in the 15300 block of Will Clayton Parkway in reference to a train striking a person on one of their tracks. Upon our arrival, Harris County Precinct 4 identified what appears to be a white male who was confirmed deceased on the tracks. At this time, we do not know the identity of the male. Harris County Precinct 4 accident investigators are currently on scene conducting their investigation along the lines with the Union Pacific Railroad Police. So I don't have much more than that other than we do have a confirmed deceased of what appears to be an adult white male.